Lynn's canine compulsion dramatically affects every aspect of her life, including her relationship with husband Tony.
Last time I went on holiday was possibly 21 years ago, on my honeymoon. I haven't been on holiday since. The dogs, no matter what, will always come first.
This is what it's about, isn't it, sweetheart? Picking you up and having a kiss, totally relaxed in a mummy's arms, because she knows she's safe. She knows she's safe because mummy's got her.
It was Lynn's father who got her hooked.
My dad believed that kids should always have animals around them.
After he passed away, dogs became a compulsion for Lynn.
Originally it was 1, and then it became 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And for the last 12 years, it's been the same number, 41.
Lynn would have more dogs, but 41 are the maximum the council will allow her to keep, something that causes friction with Tony.
The fact remains is that you can't go over the numbers that are stipulated by the local authority, and that's it. End of story. And once you start approaching or getting near that, that's when tension comes in.
Anthony, shut your kiss and...
Lynn, bollocks. Lynn and myself will have so many arguments about pups that it'd be just almost impossible to live.
Lynn exhibits many of the hallmarks of an addict, but doesn't see a problem.
Are all my dogs an obsession, an illness, whatever? No, they're not. There's something I want to do in life. Is it a collection? Is it something wrong in my brain? No, I'm crazy about my dogs.